Hi everybody, this is Michael from Our Epic RV Adventure, back again with another product review. And today we're going to talk about the Razer Kiyo webcam. This thing is pretty cool. I just picked it up at Walmart for, I think it was $89.99. And look at, and here it is out of the box. The cool thing about this is you can see it's got a ring light and it's adjustable. You can just twist this here to adjust the ring light, and you can have it. It has a tripod mount on it. You can have it if you have a laptop like I do here. This is fully adjustable here. Everything fully adjustable. So I can set it here on my laptop however I want, whatever angle I want. I can set it on a table like this however I want. Again, all sorts of different angles. I can do a lot of different functions with this thing. Really cool function. So let's plug it into my computer. The only real downside to this is when you do plug it into your computer, the first thing it does, it initiates the software download. And it's about 350 megabytes for the base software, and that's really all you need to get this thing working. So I downloaded the base software, it's on here, and so we'll just go ahead and move the camera over so you can see this, and we'll do some better shots of this in just a second. So here on the computer screen, you can just see this. I can click on it, and now I've got all of the different functions that I want to do. And we'll just go ahead and get the camera out so you can see me. And I can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. White balance, all the way down. I can set up different profiles. It already has some default ones. Like I can change it to cool, vibrant, warm, or I can create a custom one. Under advanced settings, I can go even deeper. And the nice thing about this is I can save any of these profiles. So once I get I can have one, say for low light, highlight, whatever. And apologize in the background, but we are doing laundry here in the RV, so you may hear the laundry in the background. But that's it. Just a real quick review on this webcam. And we're going to test it out on a live stream in probably just a few minutes, and we'll post the results. Okay, so here's our test of the live stream capability of the Razer Kiyo webcam. It's currently mounted on a tripod about 4 or 5 feet away from me, and it is the middle of the day, so it's plenty sunny outside. If you look at any of our live streams from January 30th, 2020 forward, they're all shot using this webcam. Most of them are shot at night within our RV, so you can get a good idea how the camera looks there. This is I'm using my visible phone as the internet source, and right now we're doing a 5 meg up and about 6 to 8 meg down is the current bandwidth we're dealing with. And right now I think the camera's looking pretty good. Again, it's a full 1080p, has built-in microphone. It's the only thing that comes in this box is the webcam, the instruction booklet, which is really only a couple of pages long, and it switches over to different languages, giving you different information. There are system requirements for this. It does say PC, so I'm not sure if this will actually work with a Mac device or not, because it just says PC, Windows 7 or higher, 500 meg of free space, and it also needs some sort of third-party software like Open Broadcast software, OBS, or what I'm using here, StreamYard. They also recommend XSplit at xsplit.com. When you do plug it in, it just works. Downloading the software is the first thing. So we're real happy with this purchase. Not real happy that we actually found it cheaper on Amazon. There's a link in the description below to purchase this on Amazon if you want to give it a try. I think it was about $10 cheaper, if I remember correctly, from what we paid for it at Walmart. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a note in the comment section as well. Tell us what you liked about this video. If you have any questions about this webcam, and if you happen to have the same model webcam yourself, please leave a comment as well and let us know what you think about it, pluses or minuses. So hit the notification button to be notified of any future videos we put out. Subscribe to us and like us. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good day. God bless.